My name's Councillor Veronica Oakeshott. I'm the councillor in Boleyn Ward, and I'm very lucky to have Central Park School within my ward. And I'm very excited that I'm going to be working with Central Park School on a project designed to really encourage the kids to get active. As you may know, Newham has some real challenges as a borough in terms of obesity and health, and Central Park School is really getting ready to challenge that and do its best to beat that and bring the kids together to get healthy. So what we're doing is we're promoting cycling together, and we're promoting sport. So on the 14th of April, we will have a big community bike ride. It's something that happens twice a year in this area through a project which I helped set up called Bike from Boleyn. Bike from Boleyn celebrates the West Ham United, and you'll see that I have my West Ham scarf on today, West Ham United link with the Boleyn area. West Ham United used to be based at Upton Park for over 100 years, and they may be gone now, but they are not forgotten in this area. So twice a year we get a big group of people together on their bicycles, and we head over to the Olympic Park, the new home of West Ham United, by bicycle for a match. And this April, we'll be doing that with a lovely big group of Central Park pupils, which is fantastic. So the kids will be joining us, hopefully some of them in their West Ham gear as well. And when they get to the other side, the West Ham Foundation will be supporting them with some football training from the guys who really know how to play football. So we're really looking forward to working with Central Park School on this project. And the second great thing about it is that the kids are using it as a kind of practice run for an amazing event that they have planned in July, when they will be doing a big sports day at the Olympic Park. So that's 2 trips to the Olympic Park for the Central Park young people. First with Bike from Boleyn, and second on a sports day. And I look forward to being part of both of them.